Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to record sales journal in ABSS accounting application. This video is connected to the previous sales video. So, in order to understand the whole discussion this time, you have to watch the sales part 1 video. Okay, let's start. In my previous video, I have recorded all data needed to enter the sales journal. This is the case that we have to analyze the following transactions and then record them in the sales module. Now we go to the application and choose the sales module, and then we can see all of the menu here, the sales register, enter sales, print email invoices, print email statements, receive payments, and the transactions, and also the last is the print receipts. Now, let's record all transactions. The first transaction is on the 3rd January. The company sells 8 units computer to customer X and receive payment in advance for 16 million rupiah. So we can go to the enter sales and then choose the invoice and then choose the customer. The customer is customer X. Don't forget adjust the date. Okay. And we ship 8 units for the computer. That's it. Okay. And then we receive payment in advance for 16 million. So as you can see here, there is a paid today. Now we can type 16 million. Okay, in cash, just recorded. Done for the first transaction. Now the second transaction is 5th January. The company get a purchase order from customer Z with number PO Z12. The order consists of 4 units computers, 6 printers, and 40 ABSS Premier. So now we go to the order. Choose the customer is the customer Z. And we have to change the layout into item. Don't forget to enter the customer PO is PO Z12. The first is 4 unit computer. Okay. The second is 6 printers. The last one is the ABSS Premier by 40. Okay, we've done and just recorded. The third transaction is 11 January. The company sends the customer Z purchase order on 5th January. So now we can go to the sales register that we have entered the transaction before orders, tap, and then choose the transaction that we've done and then change to invoice. Okay, we have to change the date here is 11. Now we've done, just record it. Okay. As you can see here, the orders is already empty and it's moved to the open invoices. Okay. The next transaction is 16th January. The customer Z make a payment on its date for 80 million rupiah in cash. So we can go to the open invoice and then choose the customer Z account receivable and then click receive payment. We receive on the check account here, for example, and then the amount received is 80 million rupiah. And also don't forget to adjust the date, it's 16. Alright, click here and then done. Don't forget to make sure that out of balance supposed to be 0. Recorded. Next is the 18 January. The customer's Y purchased 30 ABSS Premier, which is the transaction is back order process. What does it mean? Let's see here. Go to the sales model, enter sales, choose the customer Y, right? Customer Y, and the date is 18. Ship for 30 ABSS Premier. Okay, recorded. Alright, this is what I mean for the back order process. You don't have enough of these items. You may choose to auto build the items or buy them via a purchase order, back order the items, adjust the quantity pulled from the original location, and insert a sales line. Okay, we can just go to the back order, right? Back order for 20, and then we can see the journal by press the Ctrl R on your keyboard, and this is the journal. And then if it's okay, just click record. Next, because we don't have enough ABSS Premier stock, we have to purchase it, right? So we can go to the purchase and then enter purchases. We have to purchase the ABSS Premier to supplier X on 19 January for 20 item. The price is 1.4 million. Okay. And the goods and bill are received at warehouse in the same day. Alright, so our decision is correct by choosing bill layout here. So just record it. Now we can prove that our inventory for ABSS Premier is enough for selling. Here, items, and then ABSS Premier, now it's on hand is 20. Okay. Now let's move on to the next transactions, 22 January, which the customer X makes payment for the whole of its account receivable. Let's see, go to the sales and sales register. Find the customer X on the open invoices tab. Customer X here, make sure, okay, and click here the customer X and then receive payment. The whole account receivable, so it means that the whole it's that. So we can just adjust the date here for 22 and record it. Okay, the last transaction is 28 January, which is the company sends ABSS Premier to customers Y to complete the order on 18 January. Because we have the back order process before, we supposed to send 30 ABSS Premier, but we just only have in stock 10 ABSS Premier. So we already purchased 20. Then now we have to send the rest of product that the customer whites or it's already ordered before. Go to the sales and then sales register. And then because before it's back order, we have to choose the order text. Okay, choose the customer Y and change to invoice. Don't forget to adjust the date. Okay, that's it, recorded. Alright. Now it's already moved to open invoices. Okay, we've done for the transactions. Now the last is preparing reports for sales transactions. Go to the report menu and then sales. According to the case, we have to create two reports, which are sales register and the customers. For the first one is sales register. For the all sales, click customize, and then we have to adjust the report fields here, the date, invoice, customer PO, customer name, amount dues, and status. But don't forget to adjust the date. Our transaction is on January, right? Now display. These are all of the transactions. So we have to send to PDF and save it. Okay, the second one is the customers payments report for the close invoice. This one, the customer, and then payments, close invoice. Customize it, go to the report fields, adjust it, sell amount, and display. Alright, and then send to PDF. Okay, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.